There is an animal living today, so charismatic. It performs complex choreographed dances, flashes rainbow-colored patterns, and sees the world around it in sharper detail than almost any other creature of its size. It is smaller than a single grain of rice, yet bold enough to actively hunt prey larger than itself. Today, we are counting down 20 mind-blowing facts about the peacock spider. By the end of this countdown, you will understand exactly why this tiny performer is widely considered the most fascinating arachnid on Earth. Welcome to Amazing Small Animal Facts, the channel where we uncover unbelievable facts about the world's tiniest creatures. If you love the planet's strangest and toughest microbeasts, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Let's get right into it. Number 20. Peacock spiders are native almost exclusively to the vast island continent of Australia. They are found across various Australian states, including Western Australia, Queensland, New South Wales, Victoria, and Tasmania, thriving in many diverse natural habitats, ranging from coastal sand dunes and open grasslands to temperate eucalyptus forests. One species has also been introduced to New Zealand, and historically, one poorly documented species was noted in mainland China. Number 19. Despite their bright patterns, you could easily walk right past one outdoors without ever noticing it is there. Peacock spiders are tiny, with most adults measuring between 2 and 5 millimeters in length. That makes them smaller than an average grain of rice found stored in your kitchen cupboard. Number 18. Their life expectancy is short, as most peacock spiders live for only about one single year in the wild. They spend roughly half of that entire year growing up and shedding their skins. By the time they reach adulthood and gain their bright display colors, they usually only have a few short months left to mate before the warm summer season ends. Number 17. Much like reptiles, these tiny spiders must shed their hard outer exoskeleton to grow larger over time. Each molting process takes place inside a protective silk sleeping bag called a molting sac. During this vulnerable period, the spider stays completely motionless for several weeks and does not eat any food at all until its brand new skin fully hardens. Number 16. They belong to the scientific genus Miratus, which is part of the broader jumping spider family. While many people naturally fear spiders, jumping spiders like Miratus are known for being completely harmless to humans, inquisitive by nature, and active primarily during the daytime hours. Number 15. The family tree is growing fast. Biologists have formally described over 100 different species of peacock spiders so far. Because they are so small and well camouflaged against the ground, researchers and citizen scientists continue to discover many brand new species hiding deep in leaf litter across Australia. Number 14. Their eyesight is recognized as being among the best in the entire invertebrate world. Peacock spiders have 8 eyes, including 2 large, forward-facing primary eyes that work like miniature telephoto lenses. These specialized eyes have 4-tiered retinas that allow them to see fine details and the full spectrum of color, including invisible ultraviolet light. Number 13. Unlike weaving spiders that simply sit and wait in webs, peacock spiders are active ambush hunters. They use their sharp vision to methodically stalk their prey across twigs and dry leaves before pouncing on their target in less than 1/10 of a single second. Number 12. Their daily menu consists mainly of insects and other small arthropods. They frequently hunt crickets, flies, and tiny plant-eating bugs, and they are capable of taking down prey that is significantly larger and heavier than their own tiny bodies. Number 11. There is an extreme physical difference in appearance between males and females. Only the male peacock spider sports the vibrant, rainbow-colored abdominal flaps, used for courtship display. Females are mottled brown and gray, which provides excellent natural camouflage against dirt, bark, and dried leaves. Number 10. When a female is ready to mate, she advertises her location by leaving a trail of silk threads enriched with special chemical pheromones. Traveling males use their sensitive front legs to carefully read these chemical trails and track down the hidden female spider. Number 9. The male's colorful abdomen features side flaps that stay neatly folded away during normal daily activities. When he wants to show off to a potential partner, he elevates his abdomen and spreads those flaps open like a handheld fan or a peacock's tail. Number 8. Some species possess specialized black scales on their display fans that reflect almost zero light. These deep patches absorb more than 99% of incoming light, creating a true optical black that makes the adjacent red, blue, and yellow colors look even brighter by direct visual contrast. Number 7. Dancing is actually only half of the performance. While waving his colorful fan, the male also creates rhythmic acoustic vibrations by drumming his legs and abdomen against the leaf or twig he is standing on. The female feels these subtle vibrations through her legs, which helps her identify him as a suitor rather than a meal. Number 6. After a successful mating, the female builds a secure silk nursery chamber attached to small twigs or ground debris. She lays a clutch of up to 15 or 20 eggs inside and stands protective guard over her brood for roughly 1 full month until they hatch. Number 5. Once the spiderlings hatch, they spend a short time inside the silk sac with their mother before dispersing into the wild environment. From that exact moment on, they are entirely independent and must hunt for food, hide from predators, and build shelters on their own. Number 4. True to their family name, they are extraordinary jumpers in their natural habitat. Using a specialized hydraulic system in their legs rather than simple muscle power alone, a peacock spider can leap up to 40 times its own body length to clear wide gaps or ambush prey. Number 3. When night falls or cold bad weather rolls in, peacock spiders retreat into safe temporary shelters. They spin tiny, tent-like silk capsules on the undersides of leaves or within ground litter to sleep safely out of reach of nocturnal hunting predators. Number 2. They display surprising intelligence for tiny animals with brains smaller than a pinhead. Studies on jumping spiders show they can actively plan routes, solve complex spatial problems, and track the movement of prey even when the target temporarily disappears behind a physical obstacle. Number 1. And the number 1 most extraordinary fact about the peacock spider is their high-stakes courtship dance, where a male literally dances for his life. To win over a female, the male raises his rainbow-colored fan, extends his long third pair of legs into the air, and shimmies from side to side in a carefully synchronized routine. If his choreography is sloppy or the female is simply not in the mood or hungry for romance, she will attack, kill, and eat him right on the spot. This video is brought to you by PRD. Protect, respect, defend. Our mission is simple: to encourage more people to respect, protect, and care for animals everywhere, from wildlife around the world to our family pets. Check out the official store link in the description to support the movement and get involved today. If this mind-blowing creature impressed you, hit that subscribe button right now. Every week, we uncover another fascinating small animal doing something truly extraordinary. We will see you in the next video.